Hi, hello to everyone. This is Dr. Satheesh Kumar, working as a associate professor in the Department of Information Technology, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. So, in this session, just we are going to see about the agents in artificial intelligence. So, in the previous session, the previous video, just I given the clarity about the what is mean by agent. So, why we are going to use agents in artificial intelligence? So what are the major components that we are going to use in artificial intelligence as part of agents? Okay, so in this video, we are going to learn about the various functions of agent. So, what are the agent functions in artificial intelligence? So the second one is example of agent function. So, just we will see one example how the agent function is going to be the main part of your artificial intelligence based systems. The last one is the various types of agent. Okay, so based on the environment, how the various agents that are going to be performed in the artificial intelligence through your environment. Let's start. The first one is the agent function. So in the previous section, I said what is exact the meaning of agent. So why we are going to use agent. So what the purpose, what the main focusing on the agent in artificial intelligence. So here, what is the agent function means? The agent function maps from perception histories to the actions. So what is the perception histories is nothing but as if the agent means just we already know the meaning of the agent. It will observe, it will sense in the environment through the sensor. Okay, so agent will sense something or anything in the environment through the some sensor and some action upon the acting upon the environment through the activator. So through action will be happen through the some activator on the environment. So here the perception history means the data sets. Right. So what are the inputs? What are the problem statement is there? Just we are going to get some data sets, right? So here in the agent we are having some different data sets. Okay, that is a perception. Percepts. Okay, so preserving something from your environment or from your problem statement. Okay, that is called as some percept histories. Okay, here. The P is denoted as some of the perception histories, the data, different data sets. So based on the data sets, agent going to be making some action upon the environment through some activator. Okay, it will make some action on the environment through the some different activators. Just in the previous section itself, I said what is an agent, what is a sensor, what is the activator. So what are the different vectors is available in artificial intelligence based on the environment, right? So here the what is the formula for the agent function means F equal to P power star that belongs to the A. Okay, so agent function that is belongs to the various perception histories. Okay, so various perception history. The perception history is nothing different data sets in the current situation. Okay, in the current situation. Okay, in the current situation, how many data sets they are going to be used to making the action. Okay, based and based on the action. Okay, so what actions is we are going to be make. Okay, so here the P power star means okay the perception histories. Okay, that going to be make action. A, that is A is denoted as a A. So what are the actions are going to be happen through the or based on the perception histories, based on the data sets on the environment. Okay, so that is the concept of the agent function. Okay, the next one is the agent program runs on the physical architecture. Okay, the agent program. So what are the programs? So what are the algorithms we having in to design or develop the artificial intelligence that will be runs on this particular platform, right? So that is a physical architecture to produce the F. Okay, here the is nothing but the agent function. Okay, so action. So particular action on the environment. Okay, through this some but certain activator, right? So here the so particular program agent program, it will be runs on the particular physical architecture. We having some platform to making some action to produce the some function, agent function. Okay, so here that what is the agent? So here the physical architecture plus some logical program. Okay, physical architecture plus logical program. So agent is equal to architecture plus program. So it is a containing some a specific physical architecture and having some logical program to making some action on the environment. That is a agent function. So the major concept of the agent function is F equal to P power star equal denoted the A. Okay, certain goals, certain action, right? So this is the agent of function in artificial intelligence. The next we will move upon to some example. Okay, so if you want to familiar with the agent function, how will the agent function will work on the particular problems or particular environment? And just we will see one example. So the example is some vacuum cleaner wood. Okay, just everyone is familiar about the vacuum cleaner. In our day to day, just we are using the vacuum cleaner clean our floors or houses, right? So here the perception is what are the perception, what are the, we are going to observe. So the using this vacuum cleaner, just we are going to clean the dust or dirty. Okay, where it is in. Okay, so the location is where it is in. It is a floor or it is somewhere else in our houses. Okay, just where it is in, just it is also observed by your artificial intelligence based machines. Okay, so here, so what are the different actions are going to be happen to clean that particular dirty in your particular places. Okay, so the first one is a move left, second one is a move right, the third one is a shove. Okay, it should be observed. The fourth one is a do nothing, that is a no, specifically a no operation. Okay, so these are four operations are going to be four actions, particularly the four actions are going to be happen while you are making some particular problem statement based on the that agent function. Okay, the right, left, a shut, and the, no operation. That is a do nothing, right? So the considers you having two rooms in your house. So the two room A and room B. Okay, room A and room B. Room B. So the two rooms is having some dirty or some dust in the floors. Okay, so we are going to clean that particular dust using these are some agent functions. Okay, so see here. So using this one, there's a particular, there's a whole house. Just we having the two rooms. Okay, room A and room B. Okay, so here, so in the vacuum cleaner, the first it is present in the room A. Okay, so what are the sequence? What are the actions? What are the perceptions just we are going to take first? The second one is based on the perception, perceiving. Just we are going to take action. Okay, so here the first we will check the first statement A comma clean. Okay, so yeah, the room A having the clean. Already the room A is clean. If it is so, what are the actions we are going to perform? Move right. Okay, that is a right. Move right. If the room A is clean, okay, just we will move to. Next we have to move to the room B. Just we have to check. Okay, so then next state to two A comma. That's the same thing. The room A is dirty. If the room A is dirty, okay, at the time just we are going to take action. The take action is shuck. Okay, shuck the dirty. Just we are going to give the instruction to the AM machines to check the particular places in the particular dirty. Okay, so after that, again it will move to the first state, that is a comma clean. Okay, again it will we are going to give the instruction to the that artificial intelligence based machine, so whether you are to the particular places clean or dirty. So if it is clean, okay, if it is clean, then again it will take the action is move to the right, that is move to the some other places. Okay, so if it is so, then it will comes to the another state, the next state. Okay, so B comma clean. Okay, so what is the statement here? B comma clean. Okay, so if it is so, it will move to left. Okay, so because we have the two rooms, either it will move right or move left. So now it will give the instruction to the AI machine to move left if the room is clean. Okay, so if the room is dirty, the second room also is dirty. So what instruction that the AI machine will get? It will shove. Okay, so it will take the action. It will shove the dirty, like that. It will get the instruction from the agent. Then it will do the perform the some operations. It will shove. Okay, so then again it will check the same instruction, the B comma clean. Okay, whether the dirty is checked by the AI machine or not. Okay, so if it is so, if it is cleaned, okay, if it is shut by the vacuum cleaner, it is room is cleaned. Then what action it will take? Again the left, it will move to a left. Okay, so then it will move to the previous room, a previous room or neighbor room. Okay, so then again, just if you are giving that more than one statement at a time in a single line, then it will also it will read, it will observe the through the environment. Okay, so a comma clean, a comma clean. Okay, it will read all the statement. Okay, so what all the statements we are writing in the single line, and it will observe the a machine should be observe. Okay, a machine, or just we can tell that agent should observe the particular statement. It will do some performance. Okay, so if it is a clean, then again it will move to right. So if there's another statement, clean or dirty, just if you are giving the two statement. Okay, so either one statement is it will consider and do the performance. If it's a dirty is present in the statement, then again it will check that particular dirty, and it will read the another statement. Like this, now the vacuum cleaner will work on the particular instruction by the agent through the sensor on the particular environment. Okay, so this is an example of agent function and the artificial intelligence. Okay, then next we will move to the different types of artificial intelligence in agent. Okay, so different types of agent. So now what are the different types of agent over here? Just based on this, the agent can be grouped into 5 classes. Okay, so the agent is going to be segregated in the 5 classes based on their degree of perceiving intelligence. Okay, degree of the perceiving intelligence, the first statement, and the capability. The capability is the second statement of the, we are going to segregate in different phases of or different classes of your agent. Okay, how the degree of perceiving intelligence based on the environment, based on the intelligence of your agent, and the capacity, the capability. The capability is the learning capability, or setting some goals on the particular a problem a statement. Based on that one, the agent is classified into 5 classes, right? The first one is simple reflex agent. The second one is a model based reflex agent. The third one is a goal based agent. The fourth one is a utility based agent. The fifth one is a learning agent. Right, just we will see one by one. The first is a simple reflex agent. In the name itself, the meaning is there, a simple reflex agent. Okay, so based on the simple problem statement, just we are going to consider a simple statement or simple problem statement. Just we are going to give the simple task to the agent or some AI machines. We will go for the simple reflex agent. The second one is the model based reflex agent. So it will be having some certain model for solving a particular problem statement. Just we are going to set some models. Okay, different models. We have even having some problem statement. Just we are going to segregate. We are going to split into the number of models. Okay, in the previous section itself, I just given the concept of the different level of the models in artificial intelligence, right? So based on that, this reflex this agent will work, model based reflex agent. The third one is the goal based agent. Okay, just we have different goals. Alright, if you're having one problem statement, for example, just if you consider, just if you're having some automatic car, automatic gear car, okay, we are going to give some goal to the particular cars to reach some particular places. Just we are going to give some goals to the particular car, it will reach. Okay, so it will set some goals and it will achieve. Right, so that is the concept of the goal based agent. The next one is utility based concept. Utility based concept is same as a goal based as an agent. Okay, here is some additional components we are going to provide in the utility based agent. Okay, the last one is the learning agent. Just if you are having some new statement, this new problem statement, just first we have to learn about the particular problems, right? If you are having a new environment, just we have to observe the first we have to observe the environment, and then we are going to do actions, right? So that is the learning agent. So this is a major the 5 classes of agents that we are going to see. Just we will see one by one. First we will move on to the simple reflex agent, right? Simple reflex agent. Just in the name itself, the meaning is that the simple reflex. Okay, so what is the simple reflex? So based on the problem statement, based on the environment, okay, simply just we are going to do some action on the environment through some particular activators, right? So what is the simple reflex agent? This agent works only on the basis of current perceptions. Okay, so what is the current? It will work on the current perceptions. Okay, so it does not bother about the previous state, which is the system was. Okay, it will not bother about the previous state. Okay, so now I'm telling about the artificial intelligence. Okay, so I will never bother about the previous subject what I thought to you. Just what is my current perception? Just I'm going to tell. I'm going to teach you what is artificial intelligence. Okay, in that what is the agent. Okay, just my main focus on just I want to teach the what is the artificial intelligence to you. Okay, just I'm not bothered about what the previous section, what the previous subjects I handled. Okay, so based on that, the agent will work based on your current perceptions. Okay, so it will not bother about the previous one. It will not bother about the previous environment. Okay, it will not predict, it will not observe anything from the previous. Okay, it will purely work based on the current perception. So this is the simple reflex. It will not bother about the previous one. Okay, so that's called a simple reflex agent. Okay, so this type of agent based upon the condition action rule. Okay, because it will observe only the current perceptions, right? It will not bother about the previous one. So it will have some condition action rule. So simply the simple reflex agent, it is called condition action rule. Okay, it is also called as the condition action rule. Okay, so what is the condition action rule? If the condition is true, it will take some action. Okay, so based on it is observed something from the environment through the sensor, it will take action through the activator. Okay, if it is not observed anything from the environment, it will not. Okay, so here based on if the condition is true, the action will be taken, right? Else not. Okay, if it is not observed anything from the environment, it will not take any actions, right? So this is called the some simple reflex agent. I hope everyone is understood, right? So the next one is the problem faced by the simple reflex agent. So if you are using the concept of the simple reflex agent in artificial intelligence, they are having some certain problems. Okay, so here the very limited intelligence. Okay, so what is the very limited intelligence? So because it will observe only the current situation, current perceptions, right? It will not bother about the previous systems. So it will have some limited intelligence. Okay, so no knowledge about a non-perceptual part of this state. Okay, because it will bother about only the current situation. Okay, so it will not observe anything from the previous. So they don't have any knowledge, right? So the next one is operating in a partially observable environment. Okay, infinite loop are unavailable. Okay, because it will not partially observe the previous environment. Okay, the partially observable from your environment also is not applicable in the simple reflex agent. So there is a previous loop we see unavailable in the agent, right? So this is simple reflex agent. Just I will give one example with the diagrams, right? So here just we already while seeing that basic concepts of the agent itself, just I given the example, I explained 2-3 examples, right? So based on this, just before starting I explain this diagram, just you will keep in your mind either one agent, okay, either robo or some automatic car, or just you keep in your mind as some human as an example, how they are going to observe from your environment, and based on that information how they are going to act to the activator, right? So here just we having the one agent, one environment. Okay, so through that environment, that agent going to perceive something, okay, for anything through the sensor. Okay, so through the sensor, the agent going to observe something from your the environment. Okay, so based on that one, the sensor, then it will how the what action they are going to be take, what the world is like now. Okay, after observing the environment, okay, so what the world is like now. Okay, so what action just we are going to take, what action just we are going to take based on the observed environment. Okay, that will be observed by the sensor. Okay, then what the next step, the what action I should do now. Then next it will ask what action I should do now based on the sensed something through the sensor in the environment, right? So if it is so, just we are going to use some condition action rules here. Okay, here just we are going to use some condition action rules. So the condition action rules is nothing but the simple reflex agent, right? Simple reflex agent. So before just we are going to take action on the particular environment, just we are going to apply some conditions. Okay, so what actions we are going to take through the activator on the environment, just we are going to apply the simple reflex agent concepts here. Okay, so through the activator, just we are going to take some action on the environment, right? So if you have a simple statement, just we will use this simple reflex agent, the concept. Okay, so next we will move to the model based agent. Okay, model based reflex agent. Okay, so this is similar to the simple based reflex agent, simple reflex agent. So here, so what is exactly the model based reflex agent? It works by finding a rule whose condition matches the current situation, right? So whose condition is matched with the current situation. Okay, so you, through the sensor, the agent will observe something from the environment. Okay, so that is a current situation. So it is going to find some rules. Okay, find a rule whose condition match, what the condition is matched based on the sensed by the sensor through the in the environment. Okay, so it will be active, it will take action. Okay, the next one is it can handle partially observed environment. Okay, in the previous simple reflex agent, it will not accept the partially observed environment. Here in the model based reflex agent, it will also accept the partially observed environment, right? Because it's a model based, right? We are going to segregate in a different way of we are going to take the different way of actions, and how it will be do. Okay, that we are going to see. Okay, so updating the state record information about the, okay, just based on the state, based on the partially observed environment, just we are going to fix one state. Okay, that state how it will be updating the how it will be affect the environment. Okay, so how the word evolved independently from the agent. Okay, the particular state how it will be evaluated, how it will be present over the environment. Okay, then and how the agent action affect the world, okay, affect the environment. Okay, the action, if you are having the particular state, having some actions based on that particular state, that action, how it will be affect the environment. Okay, so these two things, they are going to be observed, they are going to consider that condition, it will consider as a condition. Based on that condition, the model based reflex agent will be work on the particular environment. Okay, so see the diagram, just you can easily observe what I'm going to try to tell. So here the same as here one agent, here one environment. Okay, so through the sensor, that agent going to be observe something from your environment. Okay, so after that, what is the first statement? What the world is like now. Just after observe something from the environment, agent will think that what the world is like now. Just what action that I'm going to take based on the observed environment. Okay, so if it is so, it will set some state. Okay, based on your sensory information. Okay, based on your information, it's going to be set one state. Okay, so one state, that state that is going to be evaluate your action. Okay, what is that? How the word is evaluates and what may action do. Okay, the particular action, how it will be affect the particular environment, right? So the particular state having the two conditions, so based on the two conditions, it will be taking action. Okay, then next one, just after that we will move to the what action I should do now. Okay, so now we having some information, we observed something through the sensor in the environment. Okay, we having the different state. Okay, we having the different condition. Okay, so based on that, just what action now I am going to take. Okay, based on the condition rule, condition rule. Okay, so if I'm taking the action through with the help of the activator, okay, in the environment. Okay, so here just the model going to be give the solution some appropriate output with the some conditions, with some conditions. Okay, how the word is evaluated by the some agent, and the what action going to be taken. If the action is taken by the agent, how it will be affected. Okay, so two things just going to be segregate after the final results. Okay, so this is the model based reflex agent. Okay, the third one is a goal based agent. Okay, so what is a goal based agent? Just the goal based agent focuses only the reaching the goal set. Okay, so what is a goal based agent? The meaning itself, the name itself, the meaning is there. Goal based goal. Okay, just we are going to set one a goal. So for example, just after completion of your schoolings, okay, so we having so many options, right? Okay, for engineering, for a doctorate, for some other art and craft, some other safety engineering, the various field was all there. So what is the your goal? Just become an engineer or become a doctor. Just we are going to set to one goal. We are going to predict or we are going to observe. So what is the best option? Okay. So what is the best option to achieve the particular goal? Just we are going to choose one particular goal. Okay, to reach the particular goal set. Okay, so that's the concept of goal based. Okay, the goal based focus only on the reaching the goal set, and hence the decision took by the agent based on the how far it is currently from their goal and desired output. This is the state. Okay, so this one is very important. The decision took by the agent. Okay, so here nothing. The agent is going to be take a decision. Okay, here the agent. Okay, the agent means the goal based agent. Goal based agent is going to be take a decision. Here the perception intelligence will work here. Okay, so it's like a human. Okay, that agent, that artificial intelligence based system going to take a decision. Okay, there's a decision nothing but it's a source. Okay, so this is here a destination. Okay, so the agent will decide through this way. If it is reaching this one, we having some particular distance, or we are this way, or this way. Like this, it will take some decision. Okay, so if it is go this way, just it will take some time. then in this way it will take some time. This way it will take some time, right? So based on this, he is going to take is going to set to one goal. Okay, so then now we decide to travel in this way, the particular desired time we will reach. Okay, so like this they are going to be set to one goal to reach the desired state, right? So the next one is that every action is instead of minimize their distance from the goal. Okay, so observe something from the environment. Okay, if it is environment here, just we are to reach the destination. Just we will select some shortest path. Okay, shortest path means the road. Okay, so that should be minimize to reach your goal. Okay, so the next agent is more flexible. Just why we are telling that in this agent is more flexible, because we are going to first initially starting that journey. Just we are going to set the goal. Okay, I'm going to reach here within this time with the this distance. Okay, so everything just we are going to set. After that, just we are going to take action. Okay, so it is a more flexible. Okay, agent develops here decision making. Okay, here the agent means the artificial intelligence based system going to take a decision. Okay, here the full authority having the agent taking the decision, right? So that the agent develops its decision making skills by choosing the right from the various options available, right? Just I given one example to reach one place to another places. Okay, we have the various options. Okay, for example, if you are consider after completing your schooling, just we have the various options. Now we are going to select. Okay, any one option just we are going to select for based on the betterment of ours, right? So based on this, the goal based agent will work here. So in these 5 classes, the goal based agent is here the best the class in the agent action taken up based upon the environment. Okay, so this one is a simple diagram. The base the same. Just we having some agent, and we having some different environment. Okay, so through the sensor, it will perceive something. It will observe something from the environment through the sensor. Okay, so what is the next state? Just what are the word is like now after sensing something from the environment. So what the word is like now to do the action. Okay, so after that it have some set conditions, some state. It will set some state. Okay, that state it will be how the word evolve with the based on the model based reflection agent. Okay, here also the same condition we are going to use in the goal based agent. Okay, here how the word evaluates. Okay, so what are the percepts? What are the information is sensed by the sensor through the environment. That is how the word is evolved. Then what my action do? Okay, based on that action, how it will affect the environment. Okay, that also is going to be state some state before initialize the action on the environment. Okay, the next one is what it will be. Okay, see here what it will be like if I do action A. Okay, so we have here different options, right? And what is the goal-based agents? We have the different options. Okay, from the different options, we are going to take best options. So here action A is here one option. Okay, just if I am choosing the action A, okay, what it will be like. Okay, so that one is the goal-based agent. Okay, so based on that one, so what action should they do now? Then we have some different informations. Okay, right? We are going to ready to take some actions. Okay, based on that set goals, right? So through the activator, just we are going to take some action on the environment. Okay, so here what it will be the like to do the action take. Just we are going to take a decision rule here. Okay, so decision just we are going to make some decision. Okay, the agent having the own authority to take a decision based on the observed informations, right? So this is the goal based agent. So next we will move to the utility based agent. Okay, so utility based agent means so this is similar to the goal based agent. Okay, so what I said in the previous, this agent or similar to the a goal based agent, but okay, here just we are going to give some extra components beyond the goal based agent. Okay, extra components, so we are going to provide the that agent. For what extra components we are going to provide? So utility measurement. Okay, that the goal set we are going to make some measurement. Okay, so if it is agent will take choose some sets, choose some goals. Okay, so alternatively it will have some goals. Alternatively it will take some decision, right? So that is the utility based agent. The agent are similar to the goal based agent, but it will provide some extra component to the agent. Okay, which makes them different by providing measure the success at the a given state. Okay, so what is the current state? That the current state itself, just we are going to set the some goal. Okay, in that if it is one that set the some current some goals in the current environment, just what is the measurement? What is the agent going to be take actions that will be provided to the some agent. Okay, so utility based agent act based on not only goal but also best way to achieve the goal, right? So it will not set the particular goals on the particular actions. Okay, so it will also select the best way to achieve the goal. Okay, in the goal based agent, what it will be exactly? It will set the goal and it will reach the goal state, right? Here we are going to produce the best way also. Okay, to set the or to achieve the desired state. Okay, so the utility based agent useful when there are multiple possible alternatives. Okay, so if you're having the multiple alternatives, so for example, just if you want to reach it from Hyderabad to Bangalore, we having a different options, right? Okay, either is a road or by vehicle or traveling mode also we having a different options. Okay, just if I'm choosing by bus, is one option. If you are choosing by train, it is a second option. If I'm choosing by flight, it is a third option. If I'm choosing my own vehicle, it is a fourth option. Okay, so from that, if I'm choosing the buses, okay, so the remaining is an alternative solution, alternative way of that particular current current situation, right? So there's alternative solution also it will going to be select. Okay, and the agent has to choose in order to perform the best action. Okay, so the agent going to be choose the best options to take some actions, right? So that is the concept of the utility based agent. So here, just we have here one diagram. Just see that you can easily understand. Okay, the one agent, one environment. So that environment going to be observe the sensor through the send some information the environment through the sensor. Okay, the same like so what the word is like now. Then now some information that information is going to be set some state. Okay, the same state, the same questionnaire is just we are going to erase here also the how the word evaluates and what my action do if I am taking some particular reaction, how that action going to be affect the that real environment, right? So based on what it will be like to the same. Okay, so what is the goal based? Just we are going to take some action from the different options. Okay, if I am taking action A, okay, how happy I will be in such a state. Okay, just if I am choosing by car. Okay, otherwise if I'm choosing by train or if I'm choosing a bus or if I'm choosing a flight, okay, in the particular state, how I feel happy. Okay, I feel very happy to choose the travel mode by the buses, right? In that, just we are going to give some in the utility state. Just we are going to give some different extra the components. Okay, based on that extra components, the agent going to be select the one best way. Okay, one best way is going to be select. Okay, in that state just I feel how it will be, how you happy will be in the such state. Just I feel very happy to choosing the traveling mode by the buses. Okay, the buses. Okay, then what action just I'm going to take. Okay, if I'm going to select on a best option to travel one place to another places. Okay, what action? Just we are going to get the bus, then we are going to select the seat, and then we are going to book the ticket. After that, we are going to select the time. Like that, just we are going to take some action through the activator. Okay, so based on that one, just we are going to take action on the environment, right? So this is the concept of some utility based agent in artificial intelligence. Okay, so based on the situation, based on the environment, based on the problem statement, just we are going to select the different agents, right? So in that, the last one is the learning agent. Okay, so what is the learning agent? It can learn from the past experience, or it has a learning capabilities, right? So just I'm going to learn from the past, right? Based on the your feedback. Okay, just I'm teaching the one particular concept on the day. Okay, so just I'm asking feedback about my teaching. Just you are going to give the various feedback. So based on that one, I'm going to change the that environment, change the way of teaching by the next class. Okay, so based on the previous experience, just I'm going to learn, right? So that's the concept of it can learn from its past experience, or it has a learning capabilities. Okay, so I'm going to learn either the past experience, or I'm going to learn the some new things. It's a best of the previous one. Okay, so the learning capabilities. Okay, just I don't know anything about the particular concept, just I'm going to learn about that one, then I will teach you. Okay, so that capability just I'm having means that is a learning capability. That particular agent, it will observe something from your past environment, or otherwise it will it will observe the that new environment. Based on that, it will take action. Okay, the start then start the act the basic knowledge, and then able to adapt the automatically through the learning. Right? This is what I said. That is the second point. Okay, so the learning agent has mainly four components. Okay, so if you are going to choose the learning agent to do something to solve some particular problems, okay, you have the different four concept components. Okay, the first one is a learning element, the second one is a critic, the third one is a performance element, the fourth one is problem generator. Okay, so based on these four component, only the learning agent will take the information, or it will take some action on the environment. Okay, so what is the learning element? It is responsible for making improvement by the learning from environment. Okay, so based on this learning component, learning element is going to be learned. It is going to be perceive, or going to be observe something or anything from the environment. That is the learning element. Okay, so the what is the next one? The critic. Okay, so already said, so based on the previous one, based on the feedback. Okay, now I'm going to learn something. Okay, so that is the critic. Okay, learning element takes a feedback from the critic, which is desire that how well agent is doing with the respect of the fixed performance standard. Okay, so just I'm going to learn from my past. Okay, that is a critic. Okay, the performance element, it is responsible for selecting the external action. Okay, so just I taken the previous feedback. Based on that, just I'm going to take some actions. Okay, so that is a performance element. Okay, so what I'm going to learn from my past, then what I'm going to take some actions based on the feedback. That is a performance element. The last one is problem generator. So based on that, one just of the current situation going to be happen, right? So this component is responsible for such action that will lead to new and informative experience. Okay, so based on the previous experience, just learn something, then that experience which I'm going to implement in the today's sessions. Like that, the problem generator will work in the learning agent. Okay, so the next one is this is the same diagram. Okay, so one agent is there. That agent going to be observe something through the sensor in the environment. Okay, then based on this performance standard, okay, the one is a critic, the second one is learning element, the third one is problem generator, the fourth one is performance element. Okay, so these are different four performance standard. Based on this one, what the sensor observed from the environment is going to be take action. Okay, so through the critique, it's just a feedback. Just we are going to get the feedback from previous one. Okay, based on that feedback, just we are going to learn some goals. Okay, we are going to set some learning elements. Okay, through that learning elements, just we are going to learn some goals. Set some goal sets, right? So that is the learning goals. So the problem generator, just we are going to experiment. We are going to generate something through the environment. Just we are going to change something or gain some knowledge about from the previous sections. Through that, how it will be through the effectors. Okay, how it will be affect the environment through the activator. Just we are going to take some action through the to the environment. Okay, so that way the learning agent is going to be perform or taking some action on the environment. Okay, we will see them the next session with the new topic. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.